Yeah, hey everybody. This is Ian, and today we are going to look really quickly at how to start 2018 off the right way with a professional WordPress-based website for your business. So I have a bunch of things happening in the background. Hopefully no one can hear that. I don't know what that was, but it sounds like a forklift just drove across my front lawn, and it's about 10 o'clock at night. So hopefully that's not the case. All right, so let's look really quickly at the 6.5 steps. Step one, pick a domain name that matches your brand, your name or brand, your business or brand. The .com is always preferable. That's a statement of the obvious, but for those of you who are kind of searching for an analog to .com, don't go for the .com whenever possible. Step two, you're going to sign up for hosting. If you're building a WordPress-based business and you can afford it, I recommend using something managed like Pressable.com, which is pretty inexpensive. It's about 25 bucks a month for a single managed instance of WordPress. That means they'll take care of all the nuts and bolts of managing your WordPress. That's virus protection, making sure your version of WP is proper and right and updated and so forth and so on. If you can't afford that, I would recommend something like Godaddy. They have really, really inexpensive hosting for, for starter WordPress accounts that is also managed. If you have some questions about that, I'll send you a private link where you can get a really, really good deal. Just send me an email and I'll take care of that for you. All right, so step three, you want to pick a theme and then install a theme that is carefully selected for professional or product presentation. What that means is basically the theme matters, right? So if you are selling a product or putting your face in a vanity type of professional site, let's say you are a life coach or a book launch or a barber or something that really requires a strong visual or aesthetic pop, let's call it, the right theme will make all the difference. I'm going to show you the one that we use for our vanity installation in a minute. And then step 3A, you just want to customize that theme to meet your needs. The next couple steps are optional, but they will really catapult your business and your brand and your bank account in some important ways in the next year. One, sign up, or four, I guess, let's say, you want to sign up for a MailChimp account, which is free. Step 5, configure your MailChimp account to work with your theme. In the themes that we use, it's just a function of either plugins like a MailChimp free plugin or just hard coding in the theme options to work with MailChimp. I'll show you how to do that for our Vanity VIP service. We do that for you. Step 6, install a contact form. Contact form 7 is really the best option. And then step 7, or, final step, is rock and roll. You're live. You're collecting names by dint of these two functions here, contact and MailChimp, and you're looking like a rock star, which is what you're going to do here. And I'll show you an example. Let's say here's a architectural theme example. You have big hero image over here. This is an architectural drawing. Obviously, if you're a life coach or you're selling a book, you would put that here. Here's your information, which is going to trigger a video or whatever you want here on the right panel. Contact form here. We're going to close that. We're going to use the get in touch to trigger a MailChimp email opt-in form. Someone fills in their email address here. Boom, you're list building. All right, you have a nice hero or left panel above the fold, slogan in the hero section, a logo, and you have a description here. All right, you have social media at the bottom. This scrolls and reduces down really nicely, and you're really doing everything you need to do to get live and launched in a short afternoon. All right, we have this service we're offering on Fiverr through mindfulmarketplace.com as a special for those of you who want this kind of website up and running in a couple days, ideal for authors, coaches, consultants, teachers, trainers, inspirational architects, anyone who's doing really exciting work in the world and wants something simple that is powerful, noticeable, and high impact. All right. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.